a step-by-step guide on how to recover from bankruptcy. Today, we're going to explore the 16 essential steps that can help you not only bounce back from bankruptcy but also build a stronger, more secure financial future. Each step is a building block, a beacon of hope, guiding you towards a brighter tomorrow. So, let's dive in and discover the transformative path to financial wellness. Welcome to Penny Investors, where future millionaires come to get inspired. If you enjoy our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button, and turn on the notification so that you don't miss out on new videos. Recovering from bankruptcy is a challenging process, but with careful planning and dedication, it is possible to rebuild your financial life. Whether you've recently emerged from bankruptcy or you're on the path to financial freedom, these steps will serve as your compass, helping you navigate through challenges and seize opportunities. Remember, every small victory counts, and together, they pave the way to a more stable and prosperous tomorrow. So, let's embark on this journey together. Here are the 16 essential steps that can help you not only bounce back from bankruptcy but also build a stronger, more secure financial future. Number 1. Accept your situation. Acknowledge that you have gone through bankruptcy and understand the reasons behind it. This step is crucial for emotional healing and moving forward. Accepting your situation after bankruptcy is a crucial step because it lays the emotional and psychological foundation for the practical steps that follow. It allows you to approach the recovery process with a clear and determined mindset, setting the stage for a successful financial comeback. Number 2. Review your bankruptcy documents. Carefully examine all the documents related to your bankruptcy, including court orders and discharge papers. Make sure you understand what debts were discharged and any obligations that remain. It ensures that you are well informed about the specific terms and conditions of your bankruptcy case, which is essential for making informed decisions as you move forward with your financial recovery. Number 3. Create a budget. Develop a comprehensive budget that outlines your income, expenses, and debt obligations. Be realistic about your financial situation and focus on living within your means. Creating and following a budget is a cornerstone of sound financial management, especially after experiencing bankruptcy. It helps you regain control of your finances, prioritize your spending, and work towards achieving your financial goals. Number 4. Emergency fund. Start building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having a well-funded emergency fund provides a sense of financial security and peace of mind. It allows you to face unexpected events with confidence, knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. Number 5. Rebuild credit. Rebuilding your credit is essential for your financial recovery. Obtain a secured credit card. These cards are backed by a cash deposit and can help you establish a positive credit history. Make timely payments, paying all bills and debts on time to improve your credit score. Monitor your credit report. Regularly review your credit report for errors and discrepancies. You are entitled to one free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus annually. Consider credit counseling. Seek guidance from a reputable credit counseling agency to help manage your debts and improve your credit. Number 6. Set financial goals. Establish clear financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Having goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your financial recovery. Financial goals give you a clear sense of purpose and direction in your financial journey. They serve as a roadmap, guiding your decisions and actions towards achieving specific outcomes. Number 7. Build a savings plan. Besides your emergency fund, start saving for specific financial goals like buying a home, starting a business, or retirement. Estimate the amount of money you'll need to achieve each goal. This gives you a clear target to work towards. Determine when you want to achieve each goal. This timeline will help you calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your target. Number 8. Live frugally. Cut unnecessary expenses and live a frugal lifestyle. Look for ways to save money, such as cooking at home, canceling unused subscriptions, and shopping smartly. Living frugally helps you make the most of your resources, allowing you to save money, pay off debts, and work towards your financial goals more efficiently. Being frugal means making intentional decisions about how you spend your money. Number 9. Increase income. Explore opportunities to boost your income, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or investing in your education and skills to qualify for higher-paying positions. Increasing your income provides you with more financial resources to save, invest, and cover expenses. It can accelerate your progress towards paying off debts, building savings, and achieving your financial goals. Number 10. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors, bankruptcy attorneys, and credit counselors to get expert guidance on your financial situation and strategies for recovery. Professionals bring expertise and specialized knowledge to help you navigate complex financial situations, make informed decisions, and develop effective strategies for recovery. Number 11. Avoid new debt. Be cautious about taking on new debt. Avoid payday loans and high-interest credit cards that can lead to more financial trouble. The goal is to maintain financial stability and prevent a recurrence of the issues that led to bankruptcy. Avoiding new debt helps you build a solid financial foundation and work towards a debt-free future. Number 12. Stay patient and persistent. Recovering from bankruptcy is a gradual process that may take several years. Stay patient, stay committed to your financial goals, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Recovering from bankruptcy is a process that unfolds over time. It's important to understand that it may take several years to fully regain financial stability. Avoid expecting immediate results. Instead, focus on setting realistic, achievable goals that align with your financial situation and capabilities. Number 13. Legal obligations. Fulfill any remaining legal obligations from your bankruptcy, such as making payments on reaffirmed debts or attending required financial education courses. Fulfilling legal obligations after bankruptcy is essential to comply with court orders and ensure that you complete the process in good standing. It also helps you move forward with a clean financial slate. Number 14. Learn from your mistakes. Reflect on the circumstances that led to your bankruptcy and make changes in your financial behavior to prevent a recurrence. Take time to identify the specific factors and behaviors that contributed to your bankruptcy. This may include overspending, inadequate budgeting, lack of savings, or poor financial decision-making. Number 15. Starting a business. Starting a business can be an important component of your financial recovery after bankruptcy, but it's crucial to approach it with careful planning and consideration. Before launching a business, take a close look at your current financial standing. Understand the costs associated with starting and running a business and determine if you have the financial resources to do so. Number 16. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate your financial achievements along the way. Whether it's paying off a portion of your debt, achieving a credit score milestone, or reaching a savings goal, acknowledge your progress. There you have it, 16 steps to getting out of bankruptcy. Remember that recovering from bankruptcy is a journey that requires discipline and determination. Seek support from friends and family and stay focused on your financial goals to build a more secure financial future. Consider consulting with professionals who can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on new videos.